Welcome back, guys. Today I'm working with a mannequin head, and I have bought this mannequin head from Amazon. Also, I've bought the stand for the mannequin, and I'm loving it because it's really flexible. You can just adjust it to how you want. It can tilt to the right, and it also can be tilted to the left. I'm loving this. I paid, I think it was $130, and it worth every penny of it. So I am just going to be showing you in this video I'm going to be doing a tribal hairstyle. And as you know, tribal hairstyle is done in many different ways, but I'm going to be doing just a very simple one showing you how you can actually do a tribal hairstyle. So guys, if this video is something you're interested in seeing, keep watching this video to the end. As you can see, I am now going to section the hair into 3 sections, one to the right. I'm going to be parting from the ear to the ear, and I'm going to be separating. As you see, make sure your part is lined up and you can secure those to the side. And I'm using this clip that I bought on Amazon. Really good, strong and nice. I love nice things. And I'm going to tuck away the second part. So now I'm going to be working with the back, and as I did, I divide the back in 2 and then another and separate it again in 2. So I know part, normally some people do it as backs, but I'm doing it very slanting so I can get like more of a diamond shape, if that's the right way to say it. So this is how I'm going to be doing it. So guys, keep watching this video to the end just to see what the outcome is like. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. And for those of you who already subscribe, I just want to say thank you so much, guys, and have yourself an awesome day. Keep watching. Actually braiding, the first set of braid I did not use anything on the hair. It was just the hair itself. But right now I'm showing you how sleek this is because I use a shine and jam gel, and it really holds the hair as if it is natural. It holds the hair in place. So that's another option you have. You can use a shine and jam to help you get the hair much more sleek. As everybody knows, shine and jam is very much the to-go thing now. But that actually holds it in place, and it helps you to get a better grip of the hair, as you see as I'm doing here. See that? It holds it really sleek and nice.